Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make glass pudding updated. Begin by gathering agar, sugar, water, clear flavoring, molds, and safety gloves. First, dissolve agar fully in cold water, then simmer gently to activate it. Sweeten to taste and strain twice through fine mesh for clarity. Pour slowly into pre-oiled molds and cool undisturbed. I'll guide you through texture tweaks and serving suggestions in a friendly, step-by-step way. Start by measuring agar and liquid so your pudding sets firm but still delicate. Warm the mixture slowly and stir constantly until fully dissolved, avoiding aggressive boiling that causes cloudiness. Strain the hot liquid through a fine sieve into a clean container to remove particles. Pour gently into molds that have been lightly oiled to release easily. Chill undisturbed until completely set, then unmold with a thin knife around the edges. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy dessert videos. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it makes for a calm companion while you experiment in the kitchen. It's a neat, practical read that pairs oddly well with patient recipes like glass pudding. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose mild, clear flavors like citrus water, jasmine infusion, or clear rum for gentle aromatic notes. Test firmness by adjusting agar by small increments until you hit the texture you want. Keep additions minimal to maintain transparency, and prefer syrups or sugar that dissolve completely. If you want suspended fruits, make sure they are color stable and blanched to prevent bleeding. I'll share a few quick finishing touches for plating and pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.